It's Dominic the donkey, jiggity jig, the Italian Christmas donkey. La la la, la 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 la, la la la, la 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 la. Santa's got a little friend, his name is Dominic, the cutest little donkey. You'll never see him kick. When Santa visits his paisans with Dominic, he'll be, because the reindeer cannot climb the hills of Italy. Hey, jiggity jing, it's Dominic the donkey, jiggity jing, the Italian Christmas donkey. La la la, la 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 la, la la la, la 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 la. Jingle bells around his feet and presents on the sled. Hey, look at the Mayor's Derby on top of Dominic's head. A pair of shoes for Louis and a dress for Josephine. The label on the inside says they're made in Brooklyn. Hey, jiggity jing, it's Dominic the donkey, jiggity jing, the Italian Christmas donkey. La la la, la 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 la. Children sing and clap their hands and Dominic starts to dance. They talk Italian to him and he even understands. Kumaras and kumbaras do they dance on them. When Santa the Gola comes to town and brings Ujucharim. Hey, jiggity jing, it's Dominic the donkey, jiggity jing, the Italian Christmas donkey. La la la, la 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 la. La la la, la 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 la. Hey, Dominic, what another?
Let's learn the Italian donkey. It's choreographed by Celia Costa. It is a 32 count, 2-wall, easy beginner level line dance. It has a tag on the end of every front facing wall. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the tag, and then we're going to go through and dance all 8 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn the Italian donkey. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a right rocking chair, so you're going to rock forward with your right foot, recover back onto your left, rock back with your right foot, recover forward on your left. We're now going to do a jazz box. You're going to cross your right over your left, step back with your left, step your right foot to the right side, and then you're going to step your left foot slightly forward. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left doing your rocking chair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to do 4 walks forward, stepping right, left, left. You're going to step forward with your right foot. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 9 o'clock. You're going to kick your right foot forward and then step your right next to your left. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left doing your walks forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do a grapevine quarter turn with a brush. So you're going to step your left foot to the left side, cross your right behind your left. Make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 6 o'clock, and then you're going to brush the ball of your right foot forward. We're now going to do toe struts, so you're going to touch your right toe forward, drop your right heel, taking weight onto your right foot, touch your left toe forward, drop your left heel, taking weight onto your left foot, and you want those toe struts to slightly travel forward. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your right, doing your grapevine quarter turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to do a K-step. So you're going to step your right foot forward into the right diagonal, touch your left next to your right. Step your left foot back into the left back diagonal, touch your right next to your left. Step your right foot back into the right back diagonal, touch your left next to your right. Step your left foot forward, touch your right next to your left. And that is the whole dance. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left doing your K step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left. We're doing our rocking chair. So it's right rocking chair, jazz box. Now your walk. Right, left, step, quarter turn, kick, step. Side behind, quarter brush, toe strut, K step, right touch, left touch, right touch, left touch. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left doing your rocking chair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the tag. The tag is going to happen on the end of every front-facing wall. So you'll be facing 12 o'clock. You'll dance the full 32 counts doing your K step. And every time you end facing 6 o'clock, you're going to add on this tag. I'm going to turn to the front so that you can see the tag, and then we will do it to the wall that it belongs. Weight is on your left for your tag. You're going to place your right heel forward, step your right foot next to your left, place your left heel forward, step your left next to your right. You're now going to place your right heel forward, and then you're going to touch your right next to your left, and that is the whole tag. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left doing your heels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You will do that every single time you finish a 12 o'clock facing wall to face 6 o'clock. So let's do it facing 6 o'clock. Weight is on your left. You're doing your heel step. So it's heel step, heel step, heel touch. And then you're ready to start over again doing your rocking chair. You will do that every single time you complete the 12 o'clock facing wall prior to starting the next wall. You'll be able to hear it coming because the music clearly tells you that you need to add on some extra counts. Now, the dance technically ends facing the side if you do your quarter pivot and your kick. If you're somebody that likes to end facing the front, I changed mine to a half pivot instead of a quarter, and that is how I ended facing 12 o'clock. You can dance through until the music ends if you would like. You can end facing the back. There is no ending dedicated, so if you're somebody that likes to end facing the front, you will do your 4 walks, and then I just did a step half pivot to end facing 12 o'clock if you would like. So now let's go around. On the front wall, I'm going to do steps. Back wall, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance all 8 walls of the dance. Weight is on your left. We're starting with our rocking chair. So it's rocking chair, jazz box, walk, 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 step, quarter turn, kick, step, grapevine quarter, turn with a brush, toe strut, K step, right touch, left touch, right touch, left touch to your tag, heel, step, heel, touch, start over rocking chair, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, rocking chair, jazz box, walk, 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 step, quarter turn, kick, step, grapevine quarter, turn with a brush, toe strut, K step, right touch, left touch, left touch to your tag, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, start over, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or rocking chair, jazz box, walk, quarter turn, kick, step, grapevine, quarter turn with the brush, toe strut with the right and the left, K step. Do your tag, heel step, heel touch, start over, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A rocking chair. Jazz box. Walk, 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 walk. Step, quarter turn, kick, step, grapevine quarter, turn with a brush, toe strap, K-step. Right here, you're going to do your final tag, heel step, heel step, heel step, heel touch. The music is going to slightly change, so it's going to let you know that the song is ending. You will dance up until either your quarter pivot kick or doing that half pivot if you would like end facing the front. So you do your rocking chair, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want to finish till the end of the song, I like doing the quarter pivot and stepping forward, so I am facing 12 o'clock. But that choice is yours. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. If you would like to dance this outside of the Christmas season, please check the step sheet for song options for you to continue dancing it for the remainder of the year. I hope this helped you learn the Italian donkey. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Hey, jiggity jing, it's Dominic the donkey. Jiggity jing, the Italian Christmas donkey. La 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 la. Santa's got a little friend, his name is Dominic. The cutest little donkey, you'll never see him kick. When Santa visits his paisans with Dominic, he'll be, because the reindeer cannot climb the hills of Italy. Hey, jiggity jing, it's Dominic the donkey. Jiggity jing, the Italian Christmas donkey. La 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 la. Jingle bells around his feet and presents on the sled. Hey, look at the Mayor's Derby on top of Dominic's head. A pair of shoes for Louis and a dress for Josephine. The label on the inside says they're made in Brooklyn. Hey, jiggity jing, it's Dominic the donkey. Jiggity jing, the Italian Christmas donkey. La 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 la. Children sing and clap their hands and Dominic starts to dance. They talk Italian to him and he even understands. Kumaras and kumbaras do they dance on them. When Santa the Gola comes to town and brings Ujucharil. Hey, jiggity jing, it's Dominic